What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Benny here. Hope you guys are having a good day, because I know I am. So what we got going on today with the S2000, basically it's not starting. As you guys saw in the last video, fucking sucks, but that shit happens. So obviously we're not gonna do a full start, because I can't do a full start. Well, I can't leave it running for too long. First off, because the amount of power it's pushing is just too much. So I'm trying to only run it for a couple like seconds, make sure I'm getting fuel. Now I don't know still if I'm getting fuel. The car was cranking, but it suddenly just shut off on me. I'm gonna see if I can try to recreate what I need to recreate, because yeah. So alright, so I went to go check to see. Alright, so I went to go check to see if the battery was hooked up. It's hooked up, but it's getting no power whatsoever. Like, the alarm's not going off, nothing. So I think I'm gonna start there. I'm gonna switch out the battery real quick with my other car battery, just to see if it's the battery or what. I'm gonna see what's going on with that. That's where I'm gonna start off first, but I don't know. We're gonna have to figure out what is the problem. It seems to me like at this point right now the only problem is electrical. The main problem is electrical, because the car will not start whatsoever. You switch the key, no accessory mode, nothing. So let's see what we can find out. Alright, so I don't think it's gonna be the battery. The battery started up this car right away. My other car, no issues, the Civic. So I don't think it's gonna be the battery. I'm gonna recheck all the fuses right now, but I'm more likely, I feel like it's gonna be something with the wiring down here. Not exactly sure. I'm gonna have to recheck everything, make sure everything's tight, but I don't know. We'll see. We will see. All right, everybody, so I tested out. I went and I checked thoroughly everything. I checked fuses, checked wires, checked grounds, checked whatever I needed to check. I rechecked everything that I had already checked. The battery's fine. I had put it in my Civic to make sure it starts. It starts up perfectly fine, no problems. So it comes down to, it might be my ignition switch relay. I'm gonna go get that part and I'm gonna replace it right now, but hopefully that's the problem. Alright, I'm gonna show an example of what's going on. So I finally got the battery to start up. For some reason where's the, I'm like hella lost right now. Okay, so alright, everything is on. Now let's see. Ow, fuck. Alright, so let's see if it does what. Watch this. And it's on. It's gone. There. And it will not start back up anymore. I just fucking hit jackpot. I just hit jackpot. You're good. I've been working on the car all morning, non-stop. So basically what happened, I don't know why it is the positive wire. I backtracked it. I went to my fuse box. I checked the ground wires that go into the fuse box. They were negative. So as soon as they're negative, I knew it had to be somewhere from the red wire to right here. So this is one of the connections that I made where I had to split it and put it together. Some reason I pulled back on the panel. As soon as I pulled back from the panel, the alarm went off. I just went to go and try to start it. It started up. But you guys, let's fucking go. Let me move this shit so you guys can see this. I'm gonna go get my tripod as well. Oh yeah, let's fucking go, man. I'm really excited about this because I heard it started up for like a quick second. It started up.
Is it recording already?
Yeah, it's recording.
So this is take 2?
Yeah, take 2. About to start it. Like seconds. Hold on. Oh my god. Damn.
Look at the fire coming out of that thing.
Damn. But it turned on pretty good?
Yeah.
So, should I try the other ECU?
What's the difference? It's two.
One has 725 horsepower and the other one's stock.
I would wait. Turn that on. Boom.
Yeah, huh? Damn, dude. Okay, so the problem is definitely this wire back here. There's a bad connection right here. I'm gonna have to get just a full extended wire from all the way over here back over here because I can't have this. If not, I have to make a enough good connection so it's not fucking up on me because it'll die on me automatically. So I'm almost debating on moving the battery from this side to that side and moving that from that side to this side, because if it were enough room, I would have been able to connect it right here and I wouldn't have had an issue whatsoever. But I mean, if not, I'm gonna have to get a wire that's gonna extend all the way from over there to down here. If not, check this connection and tying it up real good, because obviously that's the problem right there. But fucking did it, you guys. We fucking did it. I'm really happy about that. Like I said, I explained it. I went to the fuse box, checked the 2 fuse boxes. The fuse box has 2 wires that are a battery wire. I checked those, they were giving off no power. So I was like, okay, that's kind of weird that there's no power there. So it has to be somewhere in the middle. And I remembered that I had to do this shit. So now, look at that. We're all set. Whew. Hell yeah, the car turned on successfully. That means it's getting enough. Let's hope that for sure right now it's getting enough fuel. As I wasn't able to leave it that long on for that long because I didn't want to. And hopefully we're getting some oil in here. I'm not sure. I see some oil, but I think we are. Yeah, you can see some drips down there, so that's good. So the turbo does have oil, don't worry, you guys. I don't care if it really spilled down there or whatnot, whatever. But other than that, fuck yeah, dude. We're getting closer and closer. I'm only waiting for parts now. The downpipe, I have the downpipe, but I'm gonna do it to where it's coming out. I'm ordered these bad boys, the flanges, so I can get the piping for that. The rest of the intercooler stuff is coming in, but other than that, I'm still gonna be relocating the brake line, don't worry. But I mean, for now, shit, we gotta do everything. We gotta do the rest of the little stuff. Like I know I gotta paint a couple of things here and there. I'm gonna make sure everything else is tightened up. Gotta get this new belt. I'm gonna look for pulleys, maybe get new pulleys, motor mounts for sure. I'm gonna have to make a whole list because I know I want to do this good the first time around. You guys, put the STK back underneath. I'm gonna make a list of the stuff that I need, but I'm happy that the problem was so much smaller than what I'm thinking it was. You know, I didn't really backtrack, and as soon as I got up, that's the first thing I did. But anyways, I'm happy we got that. Now I just gotta fix that, make sure what we can do. If not, I'm gonna have to check that connection, make sure it's secure, or I'm gonna have to make just one full length extension, which probably would be the better route. But yeah, other than that, I mean, I'm gonna make a list of what I need, and yeah. So anyways, you guys, as always, don't forget to go hit our shop, online shop down below. Links down below. Buy something you like, put Meister at checkout, and you get 10% off. Also, I have Amazon links to products that I've used in the past or in this video. But other than that, thank you guys for watching. Peace out. See you in the next one.